May is Foster Care Awareness Month, and all this week we're sharing the stories of foster families right here in central Indiana. There are more than 14,000 children in the state's foster care system. Our Alyssa Donovan spoke to one family who says the opioid crisis is greatly impacting those numbers.
I remember, when she got the telephone call about her niece needing somewhere to go.
She was born addicted to heroin, and she was not going to be placed with her parents any longer.
The Department of Child Services reached out to the family, and Stephanie and Craig Brown adopted their first daughter.
It was life-changing for me. I sat in a room with her, and there were multiple other babies that were there that were born addicted to heroin. The seizing and the shaking. To watch a child do that, that's really hard to do because there's not much you can do except for hold them and love them. And even sometimes that does not help them.
The experience so life-changing, they continued to foster.
It's not easy to foster. You do put your heart on the line. You put your family's heart on the line.
But the Browns say it's worth it.
If you provide them what they need, love, they're going to remember that. They may get reunified with their family, but if they're old enough, they're going to remember what you provided for them, and they're not going to forget that. And hopefully, they'll be able to pass something on to the next person.
For this foster family, they have not had to say goodbye. Their second daughter's adoption will be finalized this week. Stories like this are becoming more and more common. Every 25 minutes in America, a baby is born suffering from opioid withdrawal.
If we don't step up, if the great families don't step up to help, then I think you're going to have an entire generation of children that are going to be exposed to some really awful things.
The Browns say anyone considering foster care should ask questions because right now the need is so great.
Even if it's just for a small moment of time, you may have a child that will remember you forever.
I'm Alyssa Donovan, RTV6.
Thanks, Alyssa. Beautiful gift if you can provide. Tomorrow we'll introduce you to a woman who provides emergency foster care and explain how you can get involved in helping foster families.